Buying and selling of domain names can help you make a lot of money for yourself if you know how to do it very well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually find out the availability of a domain name before you go ahead and purchase it, because this is one of the mistakes that newbies make when they are trying to buy a domain name. They just go ahead because the name sounds good. They just go ahead and buy the domain, and at the end of the day, sometimes it could be a struggle to sell your domain. So in today's video, I'm going to show you, if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you a very easy way for you to check the availability of a domain name before you go ahead and buy it. All right, if this is your first time of coming on this channel, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do to generate money for yourself. All right, so if you're excited as I am, quickly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. All right, now let's jump straight into the video and let me show you how to check the availability of a domain name. So to find out if you should buy a domain or not, what you need to do is to quickly head to your Google Chrome, and then you will search on a website I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to come to the search area and then type instant domain search. That's one of the sites that you can use to find out if your domain, the domain you are intending to buy, is available. So once you click on, you type instantdomainsearch.com, you enter it and wait for it to load. Okay, so once it loads, this is what you are going to be seeing. Okay, this is what you are going to be seeing. So quickly, you can actually use this site to do domain name research. You can actually generate a domain here. You can even sell domains. Okay, you can get domains and buy domains here. You can have some extensions. All right, you can check a domain. You can do quite a few things on this, some good number of things on this site. So how do you know if your domain is available, the preferred domain you are intending to buy? How do you know if it's available? When you search, okay, you head down from once you come to this place, you head down to this place below, and then once you look at this, now these are the parameters to know what you are doing. The red result means the name is taken. Okay, when you search a name and you see that it's showing you red, it means that the name is already taken. Okay, now when you see a green, it means that what, the name is available and you can register with one of the partners. Okay, when you see a blue, it shows that the name is for sale. So in case you want to buy a domain name here, you can actually buy when you see a blue. When you see a green, it means it is available for you to purchase. When you see a red, it means the name has already been taken. So we're going to quickly run a test right now, just to be sure, just to show you how this works. Okay, so we come here and type, let's type, what name do we type now? Let's type driving school, just for test. Driving school. We are going to use a geo domain, driving school Atlanta. Okay, driving school Atlanta.com. Let's see if this name is available. Okay, so just wait for it to load. Whoa, can you see this? Can you see this? Let's see what this is saying. Take a look at this. This means that somebody has even taken this name. Can you see? Somebody has taken this name. Okay, so let's go back. All this data now is showing that someone has purchased this name. But let's go back to another niche. Let's say, okay, now can you see? Now look at the available names that you can buy. Are you seeing now? Driving School Atlanta.ng, Driving School Atlanta.us, Driving School Atlanta.ai. Are you seeing red now? Can you see Driving School Atlanta.com in red, meaning that somebody has purchased the domain, so you cannot buy the domain again. Can you see? Look at this one now, the Driving School Atlanta.com. That one is available to buy. Driving School AtlantaOnline.com, available to buy. You can see in green. Now the ones that are in blue, can you see? AtlantaDrivingSchool.com. Can you see? You can buy it for $1,349. Can you see? Driving School Dallas, $750. Driving School Houston.com, $5,000. Can you see? So this is how you can quickly check for the availability of a domain name before you go ahead and purchase. And mind you, you still have to do one or two other researches before you go ahead, because there are other factors that determines whether you should buy a domain or not. So don't just rush. After you've done this, you must make sure you do other findings before you go ahead and purchase your domain name. Okay, I believe you got value from this video. If you want to learn more how you can make money from domain flipping, if this is something you want to do, because this business, you can actually buy a domain for as low as below $10 and sell for as high as $400. This is a very, very beautiful, legit business that you can do and make a lot of money for yourself. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping more videos about this topic. Okay, so don't forget also to check my description. Okay, I'm going to drop a link to where you can learn more about domain flipping business. Okay, I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.